hadian jong ke jingjia sha pyniap dusmon jong uwe urang ba briu na kashnong Pahammawleiñ Riboy district kabla penpar yang kriat ia ki babon balang ha ka ba kirunar ki la pyniap dusmon bat lynthem mau ya u hadu ba ki benta jong ka kli kala pra ki pulit jong ka Riboy klem shong thai ki la bud den ya ka te ka kam ban penlong ya ka jing token bat dei hadian henin kamit ba ki pulit ke leyo ban kemno ya argut kirunar ki suba donkti ha ka te ka kam la ban pen ken ma bau te urang ba ula sha pyniap ha ka kandai trik uliber ubalatip kerteng kum uba Ilyas rendong na kashnong Pahammawleiñ Mawphor Riboy district ha ka ba kirunar ke la pyniap dusmon ya u ha ka por ba udang tmu ban le shalang khatre bat ulami na la yeng nadu ka por nyeu buje mestem henry klemman phai yeng shu hadu ka por men met ka balabo ye ki bahayeng asem ha ka umdum ban yo asngau pen ban ye ka khubor ba ula sha pyniap dusmon ha kirunar hapdeng jong ka jingleng ken kasnam Habakran sekilat patai kubor na kaliang jong Superintendent of Police jong Riboy ulai thu baik te ki arngut kirunar ki blasha kemno ha ki pulit jong Riboy ki kuntup ya uba Prince Abraham Siliang lai pusan snem karta na kashnong Mawphor bat social kurba nyau pu snem karta na kashnong clear umdap duki Riboy district bat ki pulit ke lakem ye ki hinin kamit ha por pra baje aa bat kajing tokit ha ka baidei bat kani kadang ya chakmat
9th of March 2023 around 5:20 p.m. Barniat outpost received a telephonic information that there was an unidentified male body, found at 20th mile, Riboy district. So the police team rushed to the spot for further inquiry. On arrival of the spot, it was ascertained that the unknown dead body belonged to the late deceased Elias Rangdong of 20th mile, and the body was identified by the family members. And after that, the police team started the investigation process. We also registered the FIR immediately next day, and we started conducting the inquiry. So during the course of inquiry, we ascertained that the person who was deceased went for his work on the early morning of 9th March 2023 and never returned back to his home. So after that, further technical investigations were conducted, and also some of the statements of the available witnesses were taken. So during the inquiry, it was ascertained that the deceased person, Shri Elias Rangdong, had some kind of quarrel with two of the main suspects of this case, that is the above two accused persons. So along with the available technical tower dumps and tower locations, and also the statements of the witnesses, the Riboy police yesterday, that is on 22 night, around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m., we managed to arrest the two accused persons with regard to this particular case. And also, we have registered the case under Mawphor PS 26/3/2023 under section 302 of IPC. So based on the arrest which we have made, we have forwarded the accused now to the court, and further investigation is in process. We also assure the people of Riboy that Riboy police is very stern of any criminal activities or crime, and we will be always doing the needful to ensure that peace and tranquility prevails in the district. These two accused persons have been forwarded and arrested to the court, but they have not been convicted because investigation is still ongoing, and only after the completion of investigation we'll file the charge sheet against the accused persons.